I am just doing a short video to show version 4.0 of the rolling interview stand with some major upgrades, starting from the bottom. Matthews big effing wheels makes rolling around extremely easy with the Matthews Hollywood 2 riser. Also have new arms that are 32 inches long and can hold 22 pounds each. These are the long ones. On the left side, we have the A7RV with the battery power base edge. Nisi C5 with the Nisi ND variable true color, just in case I go outside. This is the 24 millimeter 1.4 G Master. Gray card on the bottom. Manfrotto weights on each leg. The ZV-E10 on the slider with an Anton Bauer battery. Zeppelin number 2. Main camera for the show is a Sony FX3 with a SoundDevices FX3 core edge link battery. FX3, 14 to 24 stimulants. Sony audio on top. Something new is the Atomos Ninja Ultra. That's huge. We have the iPad Pro to monitor the SoundDevices audio. Holding all of the audio gear is the NANLITE 918. I interviewed them during the B&H Build Expo. Lighting the show. Is the NANLITE Forza 300B2. We have batteries from GENTREE powering the light. This is the 15 amp 290. 12 amp. I pretty much have all day power. I'm going to charge them up. Powering the slider and some other things is the GENTREE 22 amp. Big effing wheels on the Matthews stand that came in from California. For this show, I'm doing a GoPro Hero 11 for BTS. I can loosen this up and go out wide to see how that works. Cup holders, 72 ounce, I believe, by Yeti. Helpful. And when I want to go off camera, I have this YC Onion tripod. Pentapeak. And let's see if I can do it without. So down here is the Manfrotto, which I can quickly remove. So on the YC Onion, I have the Manfrotto quick release, which makes me able to go quickly off camera for behind the scenes. Like I mentioned, we're in Studio 21 at the Cine Gear Expo Atlanta. So this is hopefully a fast setup to go off camera instead of using the monopod. So these NOGA arms, like I mentioned, can hold 22 pounds, so I have no issues. Don't even have to tighten too much. I have some NANLITE 14.8 volt batteries. I'm going to use that one to keep the GoPro Hero 11 that's on time lapse. So just a short video before the show. So we have the FX3 on top with a Atomos Ninja Ultra, SoundDevices FX3, 1424 Sigma lens. On this side, we have the A7R5 with a C5 NICI box. On the bottom, we have the ZV-E10 on a slider. And over here, we have the FX30. All time code. Also have a tentacle track E. Slider is a Zeppon version 2. And we have the NANLITE Forza 300B. Just a short test. And the big thing I have for this show is we have the Ultra Ninja with the EL Zone system, which is huge. So this is from the perspective of the person being interviewed. We have 4 cameras, ZV-E10 on the slider, more lightweight. Right-hand side, we have the A7R5. In the middle, we have the FX3. On the left, we have these FX30 all tentacle sync E's. And the big one is the new Matthews Hollywood stand with the big effing wheels, which I've been rolling around much easier. Oh. Yeah, I've been at Cine Gear Expo LA, Cine Gear Brooklyn, NAB, and NAB. Yeah. What do you work for? Oh, yeah, I'll be seeing Brandon. I've been doing interviews with him on all the shows. Yeah, it's version 4.0. I got the new Matthews Hollywood stand with the new wheels. The big wheels. Yeah, so it's substantially easier. Nice. You got a little motorized slider. Yeah, I want to get the pretty soon just add some IR cameras and you can just replicate, you get one image and you just replicate anyway. But I got the new arms too. Nice. All right, man. You have a good night. See you later. Still recording. This is the Atomos Ninja Ultra with EL Zone. And what I do is I just hit this button. And now we just have the regular so I can see myself, which I love. Gray card. And this is hopefully going to make processing much easier for me. I'm going to do a little test tonight before I go to bed. So just a short little video. Forza 300. Matthews Hollywood stand. New arms, which you can hold 22 pounds, 32 inches long. Big effing wheels. Case, Nanook 918 case. Can't see it, but that's fully operational. We are outside of Atlanta. And I just want to put this little video together. I'm just testing out want to get my exposures all the same. So this is what it looks like. Forza 300B, 38%. GENTREE batteries with some NANLITEs as backups. And if I talk on the mic, I have to make sure I don't have it by my mouth. All tally lights, slider going left to right, slider going left to right. I also have a YC onion stand that can take either the A7R5 or the FX30 and quickly put it on top. So this is just a test, testing audio, testing. I'm in all the same S-Log recording on all 3 cameras. ZV-E10, I have to be in S-Log 2. Everything else is S-Log 3. ZV-E10 is 8-bit, so I watched some YouTube videos and they say that S-Log 2 is a better codec. Okay, just a short video.